All right, so I'm going to mix it up initially and let it sit for 1 minute. And then I'll get it to the consistency that I want, which is a nice, smooth, like butter. No chunks, like baking a cake. Mix it thick, then thin it out. That's how you don't get lumps in your powder mud. You don't want to over mix it, just want to get the lumps out as quick as possible. Now I'm just thinning it down just a little bit more, then I'm going to let it sit for 1 minute. If you read the directions on the bag, that's what it says to do. A lot of people say, oh, my mud sets up in 15 minutes and I'm using 45-minute mud. Well, you got to read the directions. That'll help you through it. All right, so I'm going to let this sit for 1 minute and then just add a teeny bit of water so it'll be nice and buttery. Exactly how I want it. Great combination, Strait-Flex Crack Tape, level 5 drywall tools, and drywall tube. Here we go. Pretty much flat still, even with that bedded crack tape. And I'm going to do the same thing. I feel like mud placement's everything. You don't have to use the whole knife. You can put the mud where you want it and where you're going to be putting it on. I want to go on the other side of the tape to fill this area in with mud to make it flat. And I scrape down the skip trowel texture so it would be a smooth pull. If I do it over the texture, it's going to be a little chattery and leave some ridges. So All right, so here we go. I'm applying pressure to the left side, barely lifting in the middle on the right side. Now I'm going to apply pressure on the right side of my knife. And there we go.